get to unbox this big honkin' package and also this little baby package. So I'm gonna get right to it. I went and got a bunch of goodies and I am so looking forward to opening these items and showing you. So I don't know if you can see me and the box, but I am going to open the baby first because it is the easier of the two to open and also the least expensive I can imagine. So by the title, I'm sure you can probably guess that I have a couple of cleaning team members. This is my cleaning crew. So I went to the iRobot website, not being sponsored. I wish I was. iRobot, if you're watching this video. Yes, no, I'm just kidding. Okay, so this is a iRobot Roomba, and I think these are the 3 bags that I purchased. So they go inside the vacuum. I got a vacuum and a mop, and it's the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus, which means the plus means that it has the self-emptying bin, garbage bin or something, but yeah. So I did a bunch of research and I watched a bunch of videos, and this one got really super good reviews. So with the vacuum, I hope you can hear me amongst all this noise. With the vacuum, I also got the Braava Jet M6 mop, which is paired with the vacuum. So once the vacuum is done with its job, it'll come to the base and high-five the mop and say, it's your turn. So I'm looking forward to that. So I also am having a wonderful time trying to get this tape off, and I think I'm too excited. Okay. Alright, so let's come out with this little box here that is actually just padding. So let me set it aside. Okay, so the iRobot Roomba. Let's do the vacuum first, I think, maybe. Maybe we'll do the mop first because it's ready to come out. So here is the mop. Alright, so this is what it looks like. I'm going to show you the actual side now. This is what it looks like. It's the iRobot Braava Jet M6. So we're going to go ahead and get it out of the package because it's not able to breathe right now, and I need my cleaning crew to be able to breathe. So I shall use our handy dandy scissors here and cut right to the chase, so to speak, if I don't cut my fingers off in the process. Alright, cool. Alright. So that opens easily, that opens easily, and I'm going to need to lay this across my lap so I don't go spilling things, and you can't see me. I'm hiding. Alright, so I'm going to come out with the heavy duty mop itself. I am so excited to use these items. I am so happy. Like, I can't even begin to explain how happy I am. So I'm gently setting it down, and I'm coming out with the charging base. We'll set that down. Coming out with the landing pad. I really don't know what this thing is called. I'm just going to call it a landing pad because I have no other term at the moment. So we got some safety gear for when it was traveling. We have some handy dandy instructions that shall be filed away in a safe spot. And we have more information from iRobot. I really hope you can see me because I cannot even begin to see myself. I took my glasses off So therefore, I am not able to see. Okay, so the rest of the box is yay like that, and then I shall set this huge thing aside. And then in this box are the pads. Okay, so we have the charging cable. Really hope you can see. Okay. And then we have our pads. I want to go ahead and make sure there's nothing else in the box before I go to. Ooh, I'm so glad I looked. Cleaning solution. Can't be without that. Okay, the box is officially empty. Alright, so we have 3 disposable or 4 disposable pads. I could have sworn there's only 3, but maybe they tossed in an extra because they love me. I love you too, iRobot. So, yeah. They have different emblems on the back. I think this one's probably wet, this one's probably dry. Wet, dry. And I'm only judging by the emblems, so the top one's dry and the bottom one is wet. I am really taking a big old guess at whether I am in frame. So let's set these aside and come out with this character. So this is a wet pad that can be used over and over and over and over. Alright, so that, my friends, is the mop, and I am going to open the other box. I am not even going to begin to drag it out with everything inside it because I don't have the muscles that I need to do that. And thankfully, my amazing fiance was able to get this in the apartment. So, alright. I really hope I'm not blocking anything. Okay, I can see movement on the screen, so yay. Alright, so let's come out with the info. There are instructions. There we are, and nice and frame here. I really hope I'm not decapitated, you guys. Okay, yeah, I can see my head moving. Okay, I really wish I could see better, but you know, I gotta do what I gotta do. Alright, so which is the heaviest? The lightest? This is the lightest. Okay, so this is the accessories it comes with. Here's an extra bag that goes inside the empty dust thingy. Here are some HEPA filters, so if you have allergies like I do or asthma like I do, these will really be your friends. Here's a cable to plug it in. And this character is the brush that spins that attracts all the dirt into the machine. So we'll go ahead and set that right like that, and we will piece this thing together. I'm going to set this aside. I'm sure there's more items in here, but I am so eager to get to the big item. Alright, so next up is what is this? Oh hey, another box. I gotta hand it to iRobot. They really package their items really well and nice and protected, so you don't have to worry about things getting messed up during shipment. Oh, and speaking of shipment, you guys, their shipping is so quick. Like I purchased this, I think, on a Monday morning, and here it is Wednesday evening. So it only took like a couple of days to get here. I am going to have fun throwing those items out. Boxes, not the good stuff. Alright, so here is our friend here, the vacuum itself, or the box that temporarily houses and protects the vacuum. And I am a bit nervous because I have that big dustbin charging thing to lift out of the box, and it's going to require me to get into some weird contortions. But that's okay, because this thing is worth it. Alright. Okay. And naturally, I think we have this thing nice and upside down. So, alright. Let's get it right side up. And now it's really upside down. Okay, this is what she looks like. This is our vacuum, the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus. Okay, my little friend, let's have a seat on the floor, okay? We'll get you charged up here pretty soon, okay? So I just noticed, you guys, and you might have noticed before me, that there is already a spinny brush on the vacuum itself. So the one I showed you before is an extra one. So that's awesome. All right. So more literature. More literature. Okay. And I feel like there's more stuff in here because the box is still heavy. Or that's just the carton inside. Here's padding. I don't know if you can see. Okay. Okay. So that box is officially empty. So I'll set it aside, and now I need to get on my knees. Hi. Okay. So the last thing I need to lift out of the box is our charging station. Yeah, charging station, I think is what it's called. And okay. Ooh. I'm gonna lift the plastic off. Oh no. Okay, so you guys just saw a change in lighting, and I'm really sad about that because my ring light, ever since I moved, it's been on the fritz, and I don't know why. I mean, it'll take me forever to get that thing turned on, so if that's not one thing, it's another. Yay us. Okay. Here we go. Okay, I'm just gonna get the plastic off of this character. Alright. It's a girl! Okay, so again, this is the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus, and the mop is the Braava Jet M6. And I bought them together as a bundle because I wanted them both to be the same color. You can purchase them separately, but if you do, your mop is going to be white. So if that's the look you're going for, have right at it. Otherwise, I think the only option to get them both the same color is to buy them together. So anywho, thank you so much for watching this crazy video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please throw me a thumbs up, or maybe even 2 thumbs up. Heck, why not 4? Okay, so if you haven't already, please subscribe. I'd love to have you with me. If you have, thank you so much for sticking with me. You are awesome. It's an honor to have you on board. And I will see you on the flip. Bye-bye.